Hello, trainees. My name is Brian James. I'm the General Manager of Training, and I'm here to speak to you and welcome you back into the training fraternity. We at MIC, we surely are missing you. It's not the same here without you attending classes and doing your practice. But this is the new normal that we have to go to accept. COVID has really impacted us heavily. Our training, our practical training, and so in an effort to adjust to this new normal, all of us will have to change, including our instructors, our trainers, and you the trainee. We expect that in the coming months you will be notified through your instructors on what will take place at the center. But as you restart this training, there will be a new mode of how we do things. MIC has adopted a new learning management system, LMS, and in that system we propose to use a blended learning approach. That blended learning approach speaks to working online, doing training online, and doing training at the center. At this moment, we can't do the practice at the center, but we're moving into a full online mode. Now, to achieve this, you, the trainee, will have to do some work to get up to that level of online training. So what we're hoping to do is to, in the first instance, train you in how to use the Moodle platform, which is a platform for training. It's almost like a whiteboard that you'll get in a school, but it's just electronically now. So we want to get you up and training in understanding how to access the online training and get familiar with it, so that when an instructor comes up and has a class, you can engage fully and capitalize on all that we are offering. So the learning management system is the new approach, and the blended approach is what we propose to do. I also would like to talk about your reorientation in terms of your safety when classes do start back. At the center, we want to know that you understand all the safety protocols in place, and so we have also put in special emphasis on ensuring that the centers are safe. But we also want to know that you, the trainee, have good understanding of the safety protocols to ensure that you are kept safe in conducting or carrying out training. So we'd like that you, over the next month, take the time, engage with the staff at MICIT. They will guide you sufficiently to ensure that you are well prepared for this new normal. As I go, I'd like to extend all the best wishes to you and your family. I know this is a very difficult time, and if you are in any situation that we can help, reach out to our guidance officers. They will be willing to take your call, or reach out to our instructors and coordinators so that they can know how we can assist you better in accessing this online training. For those of you who don't have the facilities, call us, let us know, and we will make the arrangement to cater to your needs. All right, so again, take care and be safe.